Morning, everybody. The other David from Power Probe, otherwise known as OD. I'd like to show you a couple of products that there's some confusion on. The ECT3000 Short and Open Finder. Just to give you an example of how effective this tool is at locating breaks and shorted wires, we'll do a little demo here real quick and show you how fast this can locate your wiring problems. It's a fairly simple tool, 2 pieces. This is a transmitter that's powered by the car's battery. It's gonna put a signal. You'll connect this to the wire that has the break or the short. It'll put a signal into that wire that this handheld receiver can track, and you'll basically follow that signal through the vehicle, through paneling, carpeting, until you lose that signal is generally where your short or break is. But let's watch it in action. We've set up a simulated broken wire here, so it is definitely an open. I've injected the signal here. The wiring's hidden under the paneling. We're gonna turn this receiver on, and you can see that center dot means it's picking up the open signal. If it was a short, it would be one of the arrows, and the arrows would actually tell you the direction to the short. But there's a very, very important step when using this tool, is this sensitivity lock button. You need to lock the signal in. So you find a spot either on the car or over this green wire. Lock your sensitivity in. Now that sensitivity is adjustable, and it can go up pretty far. But we're gonna start on the small side here. Oh. Okay, so I've picked up the signal. I don't know where, in this case, I don't necessarily know where this wire is gonna go. So I just say keep moving straight. And if you lose the signal, check it didn't make a directional change on you. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see where we're going here, but at some point, you're gonna hit a spot where you lose the signal. Check the other direction around. Nothing there. I can be pretty confident that's where my broken wire is. And you can see there it is right there. But this kind of locating broken wires and short circuits in cars, wiring harnesses, can be very time consuming. This is hopefully gonna save you hours in locating those problems.